Hello everyone, welcome back. My God, this is your Mama Girl. Yes, I'm tired girl for today. Right. And these are my eyes. Okay, for our makeup class soon. Oh my God, you need to subscribe now to my oh you know where it is. So the first important things that we need to know. If you want to start creative makeup, oh my God, you need this stuff. Like this one is from Mayron. Yeah, this one is their Paradise AQ. But I got other face paint that I'm using. But for starters, for beginners, I want you to buy this because this one is like super affordable. And we really need this one. This is water-based. These are all water-based, the Paradise AQ from Mayron products. This is the water-based, like you can easily use in your face, like for linings and for details and everything. But it's not recommended for like the base because it doesn't really go flat in your skin. So this one is for our details. I'm making our details in our face paint like I'm using right now, like I did that right now. And this one, because it's water-based, it's really easy to remove. Just go in the shower, regular shower, and it's all gone. And this one are the Maron Makeup oil-based paint stick. Or you need to stay longer in the shower to remove all of these products in your skin because it's oil based. But if you use this in your base, in your face or in your body, it's gonna be more flat. It's gonna not show the skin like this black here. So these are all the products I recommend for all the beginners out there to want to start in creative makeup. I will see you in my makeup class. So put this on your list. This is your Mama Car. Okay, bye.